Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll down a little bit to find the personal section. On the first position we've got personalize, so let's enter, and here we've got change wallpaper option, so simply tap on it. And as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from HTC wallpapers. We've got also live wallpapers and the themes, but also the gallery or photos. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with HTC wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones, and as you can see we've got some quite a lot of options to choose from, and all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. After that the wallpaper will appear at the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply right here. And as you can see, that's very simple, because directly after tapping on apply, the wallpaper immediately appears on the home page. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.